Einstein was but one of many people who changed the view of our universe. Today, we know the universe is expanding and is far broader than Einstein originally thought. Edwin Hubble studied law, but became best known for his work in astronomy, first at the Mount Wilson Observatory and then at Mount Palomar. When Hubble began his research after World War I, scientists believed that the Milky Way contained the whole universe. But as Hubble's life's work revealed, the Milky Way was only a tiny portion of the universe. Hubble first found special stars in the Andromeda Galaxy called Cepheid variable stars. The stars' special properties allowed Hubble to measure their speed and their distance from Earth. Hubble calculated that the Cepheids in Andromeda were so far away that the known universe must have been more than 3 times its previously considered size. Explanations of this phenomenon started to emerge. Along with the old notions of the universe's size, there were similar notions that it had always been in a steady state. The new distance measurements, then, merely suggested that the universe was bigger. But another proposal, this one by Georges Lemaitre, a Catholic priest at University of Leuven in Belgium, suggested that the size and motion of the universe could be explained by a Big Bang. A single, monumental explosion so great that all of the universe's matter and energy had once emerged from a single point long ago. Hubble didn't like to take sides in the debate over the Big Bang, but his own measurements did ratify the Big Bang idea. Hubble found that the farthest galaxies also moved the fastest away from the Earth in a manner that would be consistent with the bits left over from an explosion as they race away from each other. Then, in the 1960s, research scientists Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson built a large, highly sensitive microwave antenna that they could aim at precise points in the sky. They intended to use it for communication, but they kept detecting a weak noise in the sky no matter which way they aimed the antenna. No object in the sky seemed to create the noise. They even swept pigeon droppings from the antenna, thinking that they might have been the source of the noise, but to no effect. After much labor and research, Penzias and Wilson concluded that they were actually detecting residual radiation left in the universe since the Big Bang itself. Their evidence confirmed the Big Bang idea, and for this, in 1978, the scientists won the Nobel Prize.